How to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to use the Uber Cash on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After that, add items to your cart just like this. And after adding it, tap on your cart to review your order just like this. And simply tap on to go to checkout just like this, and simply tap on to add payment method. Now from here you need to list the payment options and locate Uber Cash. Then simply toggle the switch next to Uber Cash to enable it. Ensure that Uber Cash is selected as your payment method. If your Uber Cash balance does not cover the full amount, the remaining balance will be charged to your selected backup payment method. For now, you can see I don't have the Uber Cash right here on the payment method because I don't have enough balance. And if you have, you can simply tap onto Uber Cash. You can simply complete your order by purchasing from the Uber Cash. And that's it. This is how you can use Uber Cash in the Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.